Hi, today I will show you how to remove old AirPod cushions and replace them with new ones on these HyperX Cloud II gaming headsets. To remove an AirPod, simply pull it off. The pods are held onto the headphones by a small groove. In the same way, remove the second AirPod. Since my grandmother plays a lot of The Sims, these headphones look very dirty. I used hair toothbrush to clean the headphones, but don't forget to put back hair toothbrush. Take the new replacement AirPods. The link to them is in the video description. To make it easier to put the new AirPods back on, stretch the edge of the pod slightly. This will make the process of installation the pod simpler. Insert as much of the AirPod edge into the headphones groove as possible. Hold the insert section in place to prevent it from slipping out, and use your other hand to pull the remaining edge of the pod into the groove. Continue doing this until the entire edge of the AirPod is secured in the headphones groove. Finally, rotate the AirPod slightly to ensure it fits snugly into place. After that, repeat the same steps for the pod on the other side. The task is not difficult, but it has been challenging enough for some to make them consider skipping a visit to their grandmother. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below this video. Good luck and bless your grandmother!